how to go about preparing from these books, in the sense कि books sufficient है कि जहाँ भी कोचिंग या ट्यूशंस जा रहे हैं वो मटेरियल सफिशिएंट है, दोनों करने चाहिए, तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन. So Pranav, what would you suggest? What would you recommend the students on this?
Well, personally speaking, I would feel कि books matter a lot.
Yeah.
Because the energy you put in books, probably you can't get that complete quality out of materials.
That's it.
Because ultimately books are designed for the globe. Material is designed for, you can say, specific. It is often biased by teachers. While books usually prevent that.
Okay.
And personally, I spent a lot of time on books and avoided material to some extent. Obviously, you have to maintain some problem solving.
Yeah.
If you have your focus on books, then the material you solve will be sufficient.
Okay.
Right. So, and if you want to ask which books, then I'd say for physics you can go for H.C. Verma, the famous and the most important.
Okay. तो H.C. Verma तो करना ही है.
That is minimum. मतलब वो complete करके फिर आगे बात करते हैं.
Okay. उसके आगे क्या?
उसके आगे तो फिर you can go for, there are a lot of personally I followed B.M. Sharma for class 12th.
Okay.
Because class 12th में आते आते you have to have application, and application is something which H.C. Verma does not cover.
Alright.
In chemistry, in class 11th, I covered Pradeep for theory.
Okay.
Pradeep, and for solving the famous physical chemistry has Narendra Avasthi. For organic, we have M.S. Chauhan, and for inorganic, K. Kumar.
Okay. These are the books
These
you
are
followed.
the books I followed.
Alright. And how many books? I mean, सिर्फ यही books किए थे कि और लिए थे? See, I'll tell you why this question. Because students 5 books खरीद लेते हैं, फिर देखते हैं दोस्त कुछ और खरीद रहा है, वो भी खरीद लेते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर सजेस्ट करिए स्टूडेंट्स को कि कितने बुक्स खरीदने चाहिए, कितने बुक्स करने चाहिए, राइट?
खरीद लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Because I have a pile at home which I didn't open. Like, forget studying regularly, I didn't open. So buying it is all right, but ultimate focus should be one book. Because just an example, suppose you have a book of one author and another author. Then there are often topics which the first author will cover in the second chapter and forget in the first chapter. And the other one will cover in the first chapter itself. And so just a case in which in the first book you read the first chapter and in the second book you read the second chapter. You missed out the topic.
Yeah.
So that's why stick to one book.
Okay. Very, very interesting. Savesh, आपके क्या comments हैं इस पे?
Okay, so I'll talk subject wise. Let's start with like physics. So जैसे इसने कहा H.C. Verma is the most important book. You should read H.C. Verma for theory. Because like उसमें theory जो बिल्कुल like correct theory है, like कुछ बुक्स में थोड़ा बहुत गलत भी हो सकता है. H.C. Verma I feel is the like best book for theory and concepts को अच्छे से clear करता है. After H.C. Verma you can go on with the like MCQs, short answers and like the back problems. Try to complete H.C. Verma as much as you want and take the doubts of H.C. Verma. Because अगर H.C. Verma clear है तो you know that आपके basic concepts clear है. Then you can go on with any other solving material like D.C. Pandey or Bansal sheets. Like these are means very nice materials for solving. Okay, so if you talk about chemistry, then inorganic chemistry के लिए K. Kumar. K. Kumar is a very nice book जिसके 2 versions आते हैं, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So you can go on with any of them, which depending on आपका focus क्या है. K. Kumar is a very nice book for inorganic. Then organic के लिए like there are 2 books which I solved, Himanshu Pandey and M.S. Chauhan. One thing, if you solve 2 books, first solve a book completely. Like एक chapter book से पूरा कर लिया, then only start the chapter from another book. Like दोनों books साथ साथ करोगे, कोई complete नहीं होगी, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. आप दोनों बुक्स की सिर्फ इजी क्वेश्चंस करके छोड़ दोगे. सो पहली बुक एक कंप्लीट करो, हैव अ क्लोजर ऑन दैट, टेक डाउट्स एंड देन स्टार्ट विद द सेकंड बुक लाइक इन रिवीजन टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ. फॉर फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री नरेंद्र अवस्थी, बालाजी पब्लिकेशंस, दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस बुक. एक डिसेंट लेवल तक वो काफी अच्छी बुक है, लाइक जे एडवांस तक हो जाता है. फॉर ओलंपियाड्स यू नीड डिफरेंट प्रिपरेशन, दैट्स डिफरेंट. फॉर मैथ्स this is a very subjective thing. कि maths, like I personally solved like Vinay Kumar. It's for most of the topics. Then for coordinate geometry and trigonometry, S.L. Loni and these are 2 books I did. But the thing is, maths is like very vast, so it takes up a lot of time. So depending on that, you can pick up some other books like Arihant. It's a very good book, and it has like topic-wise questions. So Arihant is also a very nice book. And maths के लिए like you can ask your teachers which book to follow or take up the coaching material. But for physics and chemistry, I think this pattern can be followed. Like it is an ideal pattern.
Very interesting. तो यार guys ये बताओ, ये जो आपने बुक्स बताए, is this for JEE Mains or do you think this is also sufficient till JEE Advanced? What is that?
These books are like sufficient for JEE Advanced. Besides that, you can like अगर ये सब हो गया, then you can go on with a higher level material. But I think they are a good preparation for JEE Advanced. Right. And one thing, don't miss the NCERTs ever. बिकॉज JEE एडवांस में लाइक NCERT की एक लाइन उठा के क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, स्पेशली इन केमिस्ट्री. So even if you don't read the chapter side by side as it is taught, you should complete the NCERT for physics and chemistry at least. Maths ka it's an option, but physics and chemistry के लिए by the end of 12th you should have completed NCERT because it will help in boards also and JEE advanced also, JEE mains also. So NCERT is a must.